Embracing the unknown, the startup challenge. Starting a business is like setting sail for uncharted territory. It's a journey filled with excitement and uncertainty. Traditional business models can be like navigating a speedboat with an anchor.
The Lean Startup by Eric Ries offers a refreshing alternative. It helps entrepreneurs navigate with agility and resilience, encouraging experimentation and continuous adaptation.
The build, measure, learn loop, a cycle of continuous innovation. At the heart of the Lean Startup methodology lies the build, measure, learn feedback loop. This iterative cycle forms the backbone of the Lean Startup approach, guiding entrepreneurs to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes.
The loop consists of 3 fundamental steps: build, measure, and learn. The build phase involves creating a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is a stripped-down version of the product with just enough features to attract early adopters and gather valuable feedback. The focus is on speed and efficiency, getting a version of the product into the hands of customers as quickly as possible.
The measure phase focuses on collecting data and analyzing the performance of the MVP. This could involve tracking user engagement, conversion rates, customer feedback, or any other relevant metrics that provide insights into how users are interacting with the product. The goal is to gather objective data that can be used to validate or invalidate initial assumptions. Finally, the learn phase is where the real magic happens. Unveiling the minimum viable product, testing the waters before diving in. The MVP is a cornerstone of the Lean Startup methodology. It prioritizes speed and learning over perfection.
An MVP has just enough features to attract early adopters and gather feedback. Its simplicity is its beauty. It tests hypotheses with minimal investment. Releasing an MVP early helps avoid developing a product that fails to resonate.
The MVP provides insights into what works and what doesn't. It refines the product based on real-world feedback. Validated learning, separating assumptions from reality. In the world of startups, assumptions can be both a blessing and a curse. They can fuel passion, provide direction, and inspire innovation. Yet, if left unchecked, assumptions can also lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. This is where validated learning, a core principle of the Lean Startup methodology, comes into play.
Validated learning is about rigorously testing assumptions, gathering empirical evidence, and using data to guide decision-making. It's a process of separating hope from reality, ensuring that every step a startup takes is grounded in customer insights and market validation. The goal of validated learning is to reduce uncertainty and risk by continuously testing hypotheses and adapting based on the results. This iterative process allows startups to pivot quickly when necessary, avoiding the sunk cost fallacy that can trap companies in a cycle of pursuing flawed ideas.
By embracing validated learning, startups can navigate the unpredictable world of entrepreneurship with greater confidence, agility, and a higher probability of success. Section 5. The art of the pivot, navigating the startup maze. In the dynamic world of startups, agility is not just an advantage, it's a necessity for survival. The ability to adapt, change course, and embrace new directions based on market feedback can mean the difference between success and failure. This is where the concept of the pivot, a key tenet of the Lean Startup methodology, takes center stage.
A pivot is a structured course correction, a strategic shift in direction based on validated learning and customer insights. It's not about abandoning your vision, but rather about refining your approach, optimizing your product, or even redefining your target market to achieve a better fit.
Pivots can take many forms. It could be a change in your product's features, a shift in your target audience, or even a complete overhaul of your business model. The key is to remain open to new information, embrace feedback, and be willing to make bold decisions when the data demands it. Section 6. Dropbox, a success story built on lean principles. Dropbox, the file hosting service, stands as a testament to the power of the Lean Startup methodology. In its early days, Dropbox faced a challenge familiar to many startups, convincing skeptical users to trust a new and untested service with their valuable data.
Instead of investing heavily in traditional marketing campaigns, Drew Houston, Dropbox's founder, took a different approach. He created a simple yet effective MVP, a 3-minute video demonstrating the core functionality of Dropbox. The video, targeted at early adopters in the tech community, went viral, generating immense buzz and attracting thousands of signups.
This early validation provided Dropbox with invaluable insights into its target market and confirmed the demand for its service. By leveraging the build, measure, learn loop, Dropbox was able to rapidly iterate on its product, incorporating user feedback and adding features that enhanced its core value proposition.
The company's focus on validated learning and its willingness to adapt based on customer needs played a pivotal role in its journey from a small startup to a multi-billion-dollar company.
The lean startup is more than just a set of tools and techniques. It's a mindset, a way of thinking that embraces experimentation, learning, and continuous improvement.
It's about challenging assumptions, seeking feedback, and being willing to adapt based on real-world data. This mindset is not limited to startups. It's applicable to businesses of all sizes across all industries.
At its core, the lean startup methodology encourages entrepreneurs to embrace uncertainty, view failure as an opportunity for learning, and prioritize speed and agility over perfection.
It's about building a culture of experimentation, where teams are empowered to test hypotheses, measure results, and iterate quickly. By adopting the lean startup mindset, organizations can foster a culture of innovation, reduce waste, and increase their chances of success in today's rapidly evolving business environment. In the traditional business world, failure is often seen as a taboo subject, something to be avoided at all costs.
The lean startup methodology, however, challenges this perspective, encouraging entrepreneurs to view failure not as an end, but as a stepping stone to success.
In the context of the lean startup, failure is not about making mistakes, but about gaining valuable insights that can inform future decisions.
It's about testing assumptions, learning from the results, and iterating quickly to refine your approach. This iterative process of experimentation and learning is essential for navigating the inherent uncertainty of the startup world.
By embracing failure as a learning opportunity, entrepreneurs can create a culture of innovation and resilience where teams are encouraged to take calculated risks, test new ideas, and learn from their mistakes. The lean startup methodology provides a roadmap for transforming ideas into impactful businesses.
It empowers entrepreneurs to navigate the uncertainty of the startup world with agility, resilience, and a data-driven approach.
By embracing the build, measure, learn loop, prioritizing validated learning, and adopting a mindset of continuous improvement, startups can increase their chances of success and create products and services that truly resonate with their target market.
The lean startup methodology is not a magic bullet, but it is a powerful framework that can guide entrepreneurs on their journey from idea to impact.
It's a call to action for a new generation of entrepreneurs, encouraging them to challenge assumptions, embrace experimentation, and build businesses that are not only profitable but also meaningful and impactful. The lean startup methodology offers a compelling alternative to traditional business models, providing entrepreneurs with a framework for navigating the uncertainty of the startup world with agility, resilience, and a focus on validated learning.
By embracing the principles of the lean startup, entrepreneurs can transform their ideas into impactful businesses that meet real customer needs.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
Take that first step today. Embrace the lean startup methodology and embark on your own journey of innovation and impact.
The world is waiting for your ideas.